heck, I'll enter. I didn't even tell him.
Okay.
And so when I got the call, I was like, oh my word, I won. I'm Melissa Valiant, and this is my husband Jim, and we entered the Masters Home Makeover Sweepstakes. We decided to do the windows, and we had 9 windows replaced in the house. The guys came, they took all the windows out, put all the windows in within a day. Everything was done, complete, cleaned up. We were just really blessed with the winning of the sweepstakes. It was pretty awesome.